team member for Stamp Anything. Welcome to day 2 of the October release previews. And in today's video, I'm sharing Uhura. And her sentiments are Beam Me Up and Hailing Frequencies Open. So she looks so cute. She's in her little dress. I love the way Anne did her hair. I think she's going to be so much fun to color and just create with her. I already have a couple ideas. You guys know how I do. So yeah, so without further ado, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up. Join the Facebook group. I forgot to mention that yesterday. Stamp Club, everything is listed in the description box down below. Let's head over to the craft table so I can share with you this stamp along with all of the design team samples. Shows because I had to Google how to say her name. So I believe this is Uhura, and this is Hailing Frequencies Open. So you have the two sentiments, Beam Me Up and Hailing Frequencies Over. Look at her boots. I love this so very much. And this is a stamp that you can use over and over and over again. You just wipe off the little emblem, and she could be at the disco. She could be at like a Christmas party. She can be used in a wealth of different ways by just removing that one little thing. So I think she's going to be a whole lot of fun to a color. Can't wait. And of course, we have her die. So if you missed it, I shared day 1 yesterday, and this is day 2. And as I've said, if you want any or part of this release, be sure to check out Stamp Club. The bundles, you do get a discount on the bundles. And this is a picture of the Misfit bundle that is on sale until tomorrow. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to check out our Facebook group, follow us on Instagram, all of the doobly-doo things. And we will see you tomorrow for day number 3. Bye for now.